Hello everybody. I have been asked to give you a comparison between two possible products to be used as spreadsheet applications. On one side, we've got Microsoft Excel, and in other hand, we've got OpenOffice Calc. The features and tools we are going to compare today are those that I have seen are the most used by the people whom this application is intended for. These features are the processing capacity, how to formulate cells, how both applications filter data, how easy and powerful is to create pivot tables, and how both applications provide us with tools to create charts. Let's start talking about the processing capacity. Microsoft Excel provides us the capacity to deal with matrix of 1,048,566 rows and 16,384 columns, whereas OpenOffice can deal with the same amount of rows but 1,024 columns. That is a big difference. Formulating cells, we found that with Microsoft Excel, we can get 48 functions that Microsoft Excel provides us, whereas OpenOffice provides us just with 350 functions. When we filter data in both applications, we found that the options that Microsoft Excel provides us is more easier, intuitive, and has more options than its counterpart OpenOffice Calc. Creating pivot tables presented also a big difference. Microsoft Excel provides us with a tool where we can configure all the stuff of a pivot table and we can see immediately the results. Whereas in OpenOffice, we've got to open the tool to set up all the characteristics of the pivot table, and we've got to click in OK, and then is when we can see the results. Creating charts also shows a big difference here between both applications. In Microsoft Excel, we've got a little more options type of charts. Concluding, we can see that Microsoft Excel in the 5 characteristics features that we compare, we saw that is 16 times more powerful in processing capacity, has 98 more functions, is easier to filter and sort data, is more flexible creating pivot tables, and creating charts present more options. So my recommendation is to adopt the technology of Microsoft, the solution Microsoft Excel. Questions? Thanks for listening.